Let's get this straight, gents. There's a certain kind of man who doesn't chase, he doesn't plead, he doesn't get on his knees, texting paragraphs, asking for closure. When he's done, he's done. And the world isn't used to that kind of energy, especially women. They expect you to chase, to fight for your place in her life, to keep knocking even after the door's slammed shut. But the Sigma male, he doesn't knock. He walks and never looks back. Let's break down 12 reasons why Sigma males never beg. They replace in silence, and why that makes them more powerful and more unforgettable than any man she's ever met. 1. He knows his worth, so he never sells it cheap. Most men don't know their value, so they beg to be chosen. But the Sigma male? He doesn't lower his price just because someone couldn't afford him. He walks away because he knows the value of peace, of purpose, of self-respect. 2. He doesn't argue for a spot in anyone's life. You say you're done? Cool. He won't write a novel defending his character. Sigma males don't debate their value. They show it once. And if that's not enough, they vanish. 3. Silence is his signature and his weapon. She expects emotion. She expects drama. She expects him to chase. But when she gets nothing, no reaction, no bitterness, just silence, that silence destroys her because she expected tears. She got indifference. 4. He doesn't compete for attention. He withdraws it. Most men fight for her attention. A Sigma male removes his, and suddenly everything shifts. Because when he pulls back, her whole world feels empty. He didn't raise his voice. He just left and took the gravity with him. 5. He lets actions speak, and they speak loud. He doesn't say, "I'll do better next time. I'll change. Just give me a chance." He just disappears, levels up. And when she sees him glow up without her, that's the message. No words needed. 6. He doesn't mourn rejection. He replaces it. The average man sulks, dwells, stalks her page, wonders, what if? The Sigma? He replaces, not just her, but the version of himself that tolerated less. 7. He doesn't need closure, he creates it. She left him with questions? No problem. He doesn't beg for clarity, he becomes it. He closes the door himself. No tears, no calls, just acceptance and evolution. 8. His energy is a privilege, not a guarantee. Sigma males don't give everyone access. So when he gave her his time, his attention, his mind, that was rare. And when it's gone, she feels that loss in her bones. 9. He doesn't flex revenge, he becomes it. No petty games, no watch me win speeches, he just wins. Quietly, dangerously. And one day, she sees him, better than ever. Focused, calm, unreachable. That is the revenge. 10. He's built for loss because he doesn't attach easy. Sigma males never overattach. That's what makes detachment easy. When others crumble after rejection, he just adjusts because he never needed her to feel whole. 11. He makes you regret leaving without saying a word. She left thinking he'd spiral. Instead, he flourished. She thought he'd beg. Instead, he became the man she begged for. And by the time she realizes it, it's too late. 12. By the time you miss him, he's already moved on. Here's the cold truth. The Sigma male you walked away from, he's not waiting, not hoping, not watching. He replaced, rebuilt, refocused in silence. And now, he's unreachable, by choice. Final word, the weak beg, the average plead, the insecure chase. But the Sigma male, he replaces, in silence, in strength, in unapologetic masculine energy, because his worth is never up for debate. And when you lose him, you realize you never really had him.